Hello guys, welcome back to Switch to Tech, your destination for tech. Today we are going to unbox super exciting thing, the brand new MacBook Pro with Apple M4 Pro chip. This Apple's latest powerhouse laptop, although it's 1 year ago, but as of now, this is the powerful laptop series with M4 Pro and M4 Max chipsets. And Apple is going to launch M5 chip in March 4th, so stay tuned for that video. This is the powerhouse laptop, and in this video we are going to unbox it, check it what comes inside the box, and take a quick first look with the design, display, and performance expectations. Without wasting time, let's open this beauty. Starting from the box itself, Apple always keeps things minimal and premium. On the front you can see the stunning MacBook Pro display artwork. On the back you have this basic specifications, and just peel off the seal. And there it is, the MacBook Pro M4 Pro, which is brand new with the first impression, and it comes with the basic description of MacBook Pro with some instructions and basic info about the safety and security, all these things. And it comes with 96 watts super fast charger brick along with USB-C to magnetic MagSafe cable. You can see even this charging brick is 96 watts. It should be huge if you compare it Windows, because Windows laptops charging bricks are too huge, and this one is like normal charger brick, and it comes with USB-C, and you can plug your iPhones with 40 watts charging too, because it supports from 15 to 96 watts. And as you unpeel or unbox the recycled paper wrapper, and you can see the beautiful MacBook in the silver color. As you open it, it instantly fires up, and it has this recycled paper wrapper again. And you can see that beautiful MacBook design. And it comes with two different colors, which is black and silver. I prefer this silver mostly because it doesn't attract the fingerprints, but black one attracts the fingerprints more. And this is 24 GB RAM along with 1 TB of storage. This is my personal preference because I used to do a lot of coding and video editing, so I need that power, and I chose M4 Pro chip. It comes with a 14 core CPU, which is a 10 performance core and 4 efficiency cores, and 20 core GPU with dynamic catching and hardware accelerated mesh shading, and it's 2x faster than M4 and up to 2.4x faster than the latest AI PC chip from its competitor called Intel. I will provide detailed description and full review in the next video, so stay tuned for that, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel, and let me know what do you think about this unboxing. Will you guys consider to buy MacBook Pro M4 Pro, or let me know what do you think about it. This MacBook Pro M4 Pro cost around $1,399, but with education pricing you'll get it for $2,200. And if you go with some offers, you will slightly reduce the cost, and I bought it for $2,200 because with the education discount, along with I traded my old MacBook M3 laptop, so I got $800 off on that. I just paid $1,500 with the tax. I hope to see you in my next video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Switch to Tech to get Apple MacBook M4 Pro review and next gen MacBook M5 Pro Series 2. Thank you for watching.